Until the last lecture, I have talked about rFlex. In this lecture, I'd like to introduce rFlexGen. rFlexGen is a toolkit that performs modal analysis within Recordine environment. You can run a modal analysis of full-flex body or rFlex body using CMS method. You can easily calculate both normal mode and constraint mode with simple settings. It is executed by clicking either rFlexGen icon or the rFlexGen button in GManager. You just need to know one dialog box for rFlexGen. Sunshine is the name of the modal analysis solver. Interface nodes is the most important thing in this dialog box. Interface nodes can be defined using 4 methods, and the constraint modes are calculated for these nodes. Number of normal modes is the number of normal modes to be calculated by modal analysis. Please refer to this link for how to determine the appropriate number of modes. There are several options in options, but beginner users rarely use them. RFI file name is where to specify the full path of the RFI file to be created. Run rFlexGen in GManager and specify the master nodes of 3 FDRs as interface nodes. Then you can generate an RFI file. I will end this lecture here and continue it in the next one. After watching all the MFPDK courses, don't forget to try the workshops in the below link here. Thank you.